A brazen attack on the Karachi International Airport terrorist storm. The Jinnah International Airport on Sunday night dressed as security personnel. Operations over this morning. All 10 terrorists have been eliminated. 23 people in all have been killed. The Pakistani Army says the area has been cleared. No damage to aircraft. The fire at the oil depot has been extinguished. A final sweep will be made. All vital assets are intact. No passengers have been injured in the terror attack. The Pakistan Army will conduct that final sweep and the airport will then be handed over to the airport authorities by midday. Good morning and welcome. You're watching NDTV. That is the big story. We're tracking a terror attack in Karachi at the international airport. All 10 terrorists, as we said, have now been eliminated. But let's take a look at some of the other news we're tracking. Tragedy in Himachal, 24 engineering students washed away as water is released from a power plant. The President will address a joint session of Parliament today. He will spell out the priorities of the Modi government. And Rafael Nadal beats Djokovic in 4 sets to claim his 9th French Open title. Our top story, a brazen attack at Karachi's Jinnah International Airport on Sunday night. That attack took place a little after 11:20 when 10 terrorists dressed in security personnel uniform entered from the abandoned part of the airport. Army spokesperson has now said that the entire airport has been cleared and that all the terrorists have been killed. The heavily armed terrorists were, as we said, disguised as security personnel and they entered from a disused terminal of the Karachi airport. They fired indiscriminately and rushed towards the runway. At last reports, at least 23 people in all were killed, including the 10 terrorists. Soon after the attack, the army was called in and according to authorities, the terrorists were confined to 2 areas and then eliminated. They were heavily armed with weapons, live ammunition, including rocket-propelled grenades which were recovered from them. The airport is now been cleared and the army will hand over the airport at around midday after a final sweep. Well, Yusra Askari joins us on the phone line. Yusra, what is the latest that is being said? If you could take our viewers through what took place, this brazen terror attack.
I'd like to tell our viewers that at 11:20 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time, late Sunday evening, between 5 to 10 attackers entered Jinnah International Airport complex from its periphery at Poker Gate near the old terminal. The old terminal is used for Hajj operations and for VIP flights, both landing and arriving at Jinnah International Airport. We were told initially that the attackers did hit 2 aircraft, but those were unconfirmed reports that were later denied. We do know that the oil depot of Jinnah International Terminal was torched. A fire was seen in the area and plumes of smoke were seen emitting from the area. We do know that at least 13 people have lost their lives in last evening's attack. 9 of them security personnel. We do know at least 4 staffers of the airport security force were killed. A flight engineer of Pakistan International Airlines, as well as a staffer of the Civil Aviation Authority and the Pakistan Rangers personnel. We do know that all 10 attackers have now been killed after the Pakistan Army led an operation with the Pakistan Rangers and the airport security force. The Pakistan Army troops were called in from Malir Cantonment, located very close to Jinnah International Airport. Just short of 5 a.m. this morning, the airport was declared all clear. We do know that a final sweep of the airport is expected after sunrise, after which the airport will be handed back to the ASF, which is the Airport Security Force and Civil Aviation Authority of Pakistan. Flight operations will resume thereafter. No official statements with regard to the attack has been made by the government of Pakistan yet. We are expecting a statement from the government or the Minister of Interior himself in a press conference later today.
Right, Yusra, a major security lapse as Karachi is sensitive. There have been other major attacks in Karachi as well, and I'm sure this is a matter that will be looked into as to how these 10 terrorists armed to their teeth with so much weaponry could have made it this far and actually entered the airport.
Absolutely a major security lapse at Jinnah International Airport. We do know that Karachi has seen many such attacks in the past. We do know that the memory of the attack on Mehran base still remains fresh in the minds of many. We are told the modus operandi of the terrorists is very similar to that of the Mehran base attack and that of the attack on the Sri Lankan frigate team in Lahore. We do know that terrorists were fully armed. They came with very, very sophisticated weaponry. They planned for this to be a prolonged attack. They were carrying food and water with them, but thankfully the ASF managed to shoot at least one terrorist early on, following which the Pakistan Army did manage to corner the terrorists into two spots and later killed all 10. Much speculation as to who these attackers could be. We are receiving reports that they are foreign nationals, possibly Uzbek. Some reports do indicate the weaponry was made in India. I would like to tell our viewers at the moment, these are unconfirmed reports. No official statement has been made in this regard. And till any statement comes from any high-ranking quarters, all this should be regarded as mere speculation. At the moment, a security review must be put into place tomorrow morning to review the security at Jinnah International Airport and all such installations in the area. There are many within this area, including Mehran base, which was attacked not so long ago. Kaji?